So one of my favorite places to go is the Amalfi Coast. Actually, I'm even wearing my Island of Capri scarf tonight. And one of my favorite drinks is a Aperol Spritz. One of my favorite times drinking an Aperol Spritz was once we were in Portofino and we went to the top of the mountain behind Castle Brown, and I had an Aperol Spritz while overlooking the Ligurian Sea. And to make one of these, really easy to make at home, great for a picnic. You just need some Aperol, some champagne, and this is in a Veuve Clicquot cooler, but it's not, it's less expensive champagne, and some orange slices, a couple cups with ice, and optional some sparkling water. So it's pretty basic. It's just half Aperol, half champagne, a little spritz of some sparkling water, and some orange slices to garnish. So here we go. Start with some Aperol. Woo! Here's our champagne. We are going to finish that off with another half. A little more. Maybe a little more. And an orange slice to garnish. And I'm not even going to bother putting any Pellegrino in mine. So enjoy!